Signing out TikTok from all the devices is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you exactly how to do it. So first thing first, what you have to do is to install the TikTok application and log in with your official account. So once you have done that, go to your profile. In the profile, what you have to do is to go on the top right corner where three lines at. Simply go ahead and click on three lines and simply click on setting and privacy option. In the setting and privacy option, what you have to do is to find the security and permissions option. Simply go ahead and click on it, and once you do that, you will be able to log into this menu. So what you have to do is to click on the manage device option. So once you do that, all the devices on which your account has been logged in will be shown right over here. So just wait a few seconds till it boots up completely. So here you guys can see that right now I'm logged into two different devices. In order to log out the device, what I have to do is to simply click on the device, and that way I will be able to log out on this device. So simply click on the remove device option and your device will be removed from that device. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.